हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अनिल धनवानी है और फिर से और एक बार मेरे चैनल गेम चेंजर्स एकेडमी के ऊपर आपका स्वागत है। आई होप मेरा लास्ट एपिसोड एज का अच्छा लगा होगा आपको। कितनी शानदार मस्त ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग है और ये ऑब्जर्वेटरी का व्याख्यान मैं नहीं, ये इमेजेस करेंगी, आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं। ये वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट और बेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेटरी है जो ओपन एयर में है। इससे हायर बिल्डिंग्स हैं ऑफ कोर्स ऑलबुर्ज दुबई में, लेकिन इस तरह की ऑब्जर्वेटरी कहीं भी नहीं है। और उसके आसपास के नज़ारे, यानी कि न्यूयॉर्क बाय इटसेल्फ doesn't exist anywhere. It is the best city for the best night views, day views, sunset views, morning views, anytime. It's unparalleled beauty. So देखिए, लुत्फ उठाइए। और आगे बढ़ने से पहले अब तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अपने दोस्तों से भी कहिए सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, व्हेन यू फॉरवर्ड इट टू देम, व्हेन यू शेयर इट विद देम। और लाइक तो बनता ही है, इज़न्ट इट? और भी कुछ जानना चाहेंगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में लिखिए एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू। थैंक यू, लव यू, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। गॉड ब्लेस। ये बिल्कुल एंड तक देखना, यू आर रियली गोइंग टू बी फैसिनेटेड। थैंक्स। Okay, this is all about the security check over here, like we had at One World Observatory, the same shit.
Did you buy the photo? Did you do the photo? Let me see the ticket.
Wonderful. It's a nice experience. So we had a picture taken over here, and this is the entrance to the elevators. Wow, it's pretty dark. Oh my God. Okay. This is a nice digital experience. Wow. Oh, the Hudson Yards. Right. Awesome. Wow. Jet engine. That's a Hudson Yard. Wow. That's how it is constructed. Oh wow. The amazing gallery. Wow. This is another digital experience. Hi, Happy New Year.
Memories of the future
Wonderful.
of that space.
This is the way to the elevators.
It took a lot of hard work and an amazing team to get here. We wanted to do something bold. Something that would make sure that New York stayed the greatest city in the world.
Tens of thousands of skilled men and women built this place. We put all our craftsmanship
This
into it.
is
We put our heart,
while we wait for the
soul into it.
elevators.
I just feel so proud when I walk around here, you know? It shows that
This is a city that was founded by dreamers. We can't stop dreaming here.
Hi. Now we enter the elevator. Wow. From one elevator to the other one. And I hope this is another breathtaking experience.
For your elevator ride off this touchless, just make sure to face the screens to see the full experience heading up.
Thank you.
Enjoy, you're welcome.
Oh wow. This has now started. Wow. Awesome. That's the edge, oh really? Wonderful. Wow. Up. Okay. We have already arrived and we are now over here, the much sought after building. Wow, I'm so excited. Awesome, man, this is cool. This is the first glimpse from the edge. Below is our Hudson River and the Hudson Yards. Wow, man, those are trains in the Hudson Yard. Whew. And that is New Jersey. Hey. Wow. I love this. Okay. That is the World Trade Center. We were there the other day, the observatory. Wow. That is downtown. We are here in Midtown. Guys, just so wonderful. It's a different feel. Very, very nice. Awesome.
So guys, the face mask, you can take it off for a picture.
Right, thank
When you
you.
finish your picture, you need to put it back on, okay?
Awesome.
Perfect. Thank you.
You are an angel, believe me, you made my day.
You too. Happy early New Year.
Fantastic. Happy New Year to you too.
Thank you. You got more space?
God bless you.
All right. There you go.
Okay. Guys, this is just so wonderful. And there is a big queue to go there on the edge. And these are nice stairs to sit and see the view. Oh wow. This is Empire State Building, so close by. Well, this is Midtown.
How do you get up there?
It's an elevator.
And these are the ferries. Oh wow, this is absolutely on the edge. Look how fat this glass is, man. Phew. Thank God it has stopped raining, but there's no sun, so the sun isn't here today. So दोस्तों, this is Midtown. See those ferries there? It is completely overcast. This place is something else. Wow.
Wear your face mask. Leave your face mask.
Hey, look at that. Awesome. Super. Guys, look at these trains down. That's the Hudson Yard. Whoa. And that's the Hudson River. And that's New Jersey. This is the east side of New York. Where you see the World Trade Center is the downtown, and the river on to your left is the west side of New York. This is the glass bottom floor. Wow, is it scary?
What?
Not scary.
Not scary?
What's it called? Exit out.
Okay. This is. Woo!
Ella, come here.
Hey, put this on the floor. Bottle them up.
Thank you. Hey! I'm on the glass bottom, and you can see behind me. This is wow, scary, man. Mama. So nice. This is incredible.
Okay, time is up.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Hold it.
You got it? You okay?
No, hold this. Hold this. Hold my.
Just put it down real quick. I can't touch it. Put it down.
Oh my God. Shit.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
Awesome. Okay.
Come this way. Exit this way. Exit this way.
Thank you.
Okay, put your face mask on.
Okay. Guys, this is the east side, and this is the Empire State Building right in front of you, and it is so overcast today. What a breathtaking experience that was. Wow. This is the other edge. I wonder if I can see Columbus Circle. I can't see the Central Park from here, but I can see the whole of downtown. Dosto, I'm missing you. I wish you were here. I'm filming this because you're not here. I hope you like it. Yeah? I love it. It's very nice, thrilling experience. Luckily the rain has stopped now, but there's no sunshine. I mean, the sun is not here for the sunset. Let's see if it still comes up. It's cool.
Здесь можно с парашютом прыгать. С парашютом можно прыгать.
दोस्तों सनसेट तो हुआ ही नहीं, शहर की लाइटें ऑन होना स्टार्ट हो गई हैं स्लोली स्लोली. Oh my God, look at this pointed thing. Still so many floors up. Hey, you see the Empire State behind me? I'm now at the edge. Oh my God. What a beautiful setting this is. Awesome. Just look at that. Super. That's the Empire State Building. Very, very nice. Wonderful. Complete. Okay. So now we are going on the upper floor. Wow. This is from inside. Yahoo! The city is started to light up. Very nice. It's quite cozy inside. Very nice. And that's a shop, a gift shop. We have to go to the restaurant upstairs. Wow.
Because
Yeah.
behind that, that's Central Park.
Okay.
So it's just a little difficult to, because of where we are,
Right.
we're like right behind all the bigger towers,
And
and so it can be quite difficult to see.
this is New Jersey on the left.
Yes, this is New Jersey. That's Jersey City.
Upstairs is the bar. We're going upstairs. Wow. Look at the lights outside. Simply stunning, stunning beauty, New York City. And this is where we came from. Wow. It's breathtaking. Today is the 31st Eve, everything is shut down. So there is no crowd here today. It's only for us to celebrate. And I'm so happy we made a choice to come today. Awesome, man.
We have it right here.
You see all the buildings from here. Rockefeller Center, Empire State, World Trade Center. Okay, doston, this is the Empire State Building, the one with the flashy lights. This one. And this one is the Rockefeller Center. This one. This one. Yeah. And this is something new coming up on Park Avenue. दोस्तों न्यूयॉर्क काफ़ी बड़ा है, यहाँ से अपटाउन तो दिखता भी नहीं है यार, इतनी दूर है। और सेंट्रल पार्क, माय गॉड, सेंट्रल पार्क दिखाने के लिए मेरे ख्याल से दैट व्यू इज़ गुड फ्रॉम ओवर द रॉक, दैट इज़ रॉकफेलर सेंटर। सो वील डू दैट एज आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन। दिस इज़ अमेजिंग। Wow, friends, this setting is something else. Spectacular from no other observatory whatsoever. This is just a stunning view of New York City. New York at its best. Oof. Man, amazing. This is amazing. Guys, this is something amazing. This is really stunning. A stunning view of New York City. Look at this. Look at the side behind me. It's really amazing, isn't it? What an awesome setting. Super. This is New York at its best. No other observatory has this kind of setting or this kind of openness. This really is stunning, stunningly beautiful. This is simply lovable. Awesome. Awesome. You see this beneath me? Check this. This is lovable, guys. So nice. So beautiful. Thank you.
You two friends on the right.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Thank you for visiting us. You're going to wait right there.
Wonderful. So we are going down now, and I expect another digital experience. Wow.
No, yeah.
Has it started? Are we going down? Are we? Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Oh no 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 no. Oh really? It's like a roller coaster, man. What an experience. Oh, Hudson Yards. Wow, on top of it. Took us on top of it, man. Whoa. Oh my God. Awesome. Look at that. What an experience. So we came to the vessel as well. Really? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. We are now on our way out. Right. Wow. Awesome. Where are we? दोस्तों, आई एम श्योर यू हैव लव्ड दिस रियली इज लवेबल, है ना? कितनी प्यारी बिल्डिंग है ना, मस्त, अच्छे नज़ारे। सो इसके अलावा और भी 2 ऑब्जर्वेटरीज हैं न्यूयॉर्क में। वन इज़ कॉल्ड रॉकफेलर सेंटर, जिसकी ऑब्जर्वेटरी इज़ कॉल्ड ओवर द रॉक। वो भी मिड टाउन में है। वो छोटी सी बिल्डिंग है, छोटी यानी कि इससे छोटी काफ़ी लंबी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, लेकिन उसके व्यूज़ बड़े अमेजिंग है एकदम। मिड टाउन के और अप टाउन के जो इन बिल्डिंग्स से नज़र नहीं आते, तो उनकी भी अपनी खासियत है। वहाँ पर भी जाएंगे। और इसके अलावा तो एब्सोल्युटली लेजेंडरी बिल्डिंग दूसरी ऑब्जर्वेटरी है, द एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग, ठीक है? उसकी भी सैर कराएंगे। लेकिन इस वक्त यार माहौल बड़ा अजीब है यहाँ पर। कोविड की वजह से सब कुछ लॉकडाउन है, बंद है, ट्रैवल रेस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं। आई एम सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद ऑल दिस बुलशिट। एनीवे, अच्छा समय ज़रूर जल्दी आएगा। ये 2021 है एंड आई विश यू द बेस्ट। वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। गॉड ब्लेस यू। और इसके अलावा भी बहुत मस्त और डेस्टिनेशंस हैं पास में। वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़े में बड़ा एक्वेरियम, जहाँ पे बड़े शार्क्स, बड़े हैमरहेड शार्क्स, सुपर बड़े टर्टल्स और बड़े बड़े हिपोज, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हैं वगैरह, उसका भी कराएंगे। एंड लॉट्स ऑफ वेरी नाइस म्यूज़ियम्स, नेचुरल हिस्ट्री म्यूज़ियम्स, जिसके अंदर डायनासोर्स के हर डायनासोर के स्केलेटन्स वगैरह ये वो हैं। सो कीप वॉचिंग फॉर माई वीडियोज़, एक्सपेक्ट ओनली द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ मी। और कमेंट्स में लिखिए, wherever I can lack, I will try to cover it up. God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.